Welcome back, guys, for another weekly geo analysis. Currently, right now, I'm on the daily time frame, and last week I mentioned that when the price was retracing, right? I'm gonna do the replay. When the price was retracing, we're looking for buy on this area. We were looking for buy in this area, and on lower time frame, if you did pay attention, I did say that I was waiting for a break of structure and a high low. But the higher low happened before the break of structure happened. So we were able to take a buy opportunity when it happened. And now on the daily that same week, a lower high was created, indicating there's more sellers that entered the market at that time, right? So when that happened, and you got end up having two candle closes close below this high that was made, pretty much indicating that now the daily structure is broken, right? And now we should be looking for retracement. Then we'll be looking for sell opportunity when it retests that break of structure. Also, another indicator that pretty much tells us we should be looking for more sales now is weekly time frame, right? Weekly time frame, this whole area where we are right now at the monthly key level is still showing that is a resistance level. It's a high resistance level. And our monthly, if you see, I had this thing marked also. Right now it looked like a double top, right? On a monthly time frame. Also at the monthly key level. So going back to the weekly right now, these three candles right here pretty much indicated this is a bearish engulfing, right? Bearish engulfing also indicated that on a lower time frame there is a broken structure because this candle closes way below this opening of this candle right here, right? So with that being said, weekly right now is showing us the reason why we should be looking for sell, and also a daily time frame as a broken structure. H4 also same thing. Structure is broken, right? Structure is broken, so we should be looking for a sell opportunity. So we're gonna buy. We're going to buy this kind of trend. We're gonna buy this kind of trend and wait for the sell opportunity when it presents itself around that area where structure is broken based on our daily time frame. This is it for this video. Not gonna make it too long. Like I said, we gonna buy the counter trend before we take any sell opportunity again. So thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.